Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Bluetooth is not working on your Windows 11 computer. So if the Bluetooth button is missing from here, or if you don't see the Bluetooth option in device manager, so if you're facing any kind of Bluetooth issue with the on your computer with Windows 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Simply restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. If that does not work, make sure Bluetooth is enabled in BIOS. So you can go to your system BIOS. So shut down your computer and then start your computer and then tap the BIOS key. So in Dell computer it's F2 key. In different brands, like if you have Lenovo or HP, any computer, different brands has different BIOS key. So you can search in Google which key is the BIOS key. So start your computer and then tap the BIOS key to enter the system BIOS. Now as soon as you start the computer you can tap the BIOS key. In my case it's F2. So tap the BIOS key and then it will take you to the system BIOS. Now over here in my case I went to connection option over here, and over here you can see Bluetooth. So if the Bluetooth option is unchecked over here, you can put a check on Bluetooth over here, and then you have to apply the settings. You have to apply changes over here, apply the changes and then restart your computer and then check. Now it's still not working. The next step is to run Bluetooth Troubleshooter. Now for this, open Windows settings and then go to system and then scroll down, click on troubleshoot option over here, other troubleshooters. Here you can see Bluetooth option, click on run, and this will launch this screen. And over here you have to follow the on-screen instruction. So here you can see run the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter. Do we have consent to run automated diagnostic to try solving your Bluetooth problem? Click on yes and then click on continue. So let the process complete. Just follow the on-screen steps and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start Bluetooth support service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Bluetooth support service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click and then click on start or restart. Click on yes and then you can check. Now still not working. The next step is to update Windows 11. Now for this you can open Windows settings, go to Windows update or update and security and then click on check for update over here. Once all the updates are installed, download it and install it. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to update Bluetooth driver from device manager. Now if Bluetooth is missing in device manager, you can skip step 7, 8, 9. Actually skip this 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, not 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7 and 8. So you can skip this step. So update the Bluetooth driver from device manager. If it's missing in device manager, you can skip this step. So make a right click on this device manager, start menu and then go to device manager. Here you can see Bluetooth option. Make a right click on the Bluetooth and then which one is the Intel wireless Bluetooth. This is my wireless Bluetooth adapter. Now click on update driver and then you can click on search automatically for drivers and then search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And if there is any update, you can update it, or else you can make a right click and then click on update driver and then go to browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and you can try to install it from here. So you can select it and then click on next. You can even try different version. So click on next, and once the installation is done, now you can, once it is installed, then restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to roll back Bluetooth driver. To roll back Bluetooth driver, you can again go to device manager, restart your computer. When it is asking you to restart your computer, restart your computer. To roll back, you can make a right click and then click on properties, and then you can go to drivers tab. Over here, if rollback driver is highlighted over here, in my case it's grayed out. If it's grayed out, you don't have to do. If it's highlighted, then click on rollback driver and then you can check, and then restart your computer and then check. Next step is to uninstall Bluetooth driver and restart your PC. Now again, make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager and expand Bluetooth over here, and then select your Bluetooth device over here, make a right click and then click on uninstall. Then click on uninstall over here. Do not put a check over here, just uninstall it, and after the uninstall, restart your computer. Restart is a must after this, and after the system restart you can check. Next step is to install Bluetooth driver from system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have a Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo. Whichever brand you have, you can go to your system manufacturer website. Now, for example, I'm showing for Dell, so you can go to, this is just an example. You can go to your system manufacturer website and then select your model number. You can enter your service tag or model number for your computer, or you can simply select your computer manually. This is just an example. Select your computer, and then once you select your computer, go to drivers and downloads. And then you have to find your drivers, select the right operating system. So if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11 over here, and then you can go to, now find the driver. You can scroll down and you can find the driver in the list, or you can simply search for driver. Bluetooth. So here you can see Bluetooth driver. So you can download this Bluetooth driver, and once the download is complete, you can run this exe file and install the Bluetooth driver. And then once the installation is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. Now if you have Intel wireless Bluetooth, you can even use Intel driver and support assistant. Now for this, you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. So copy this link, and then over here you will see Intel driver and support assistant. You can download it, install it. In my case, it is already installed. So install it, and then you can run Intel. Once you install it, you will see Intel driver and support assistant. You can run it, and if there is any update, so here you can see Intel wireless Bluetooth driver is available. In my case, I have already installed it. Installation successful. So you will see download option, then you will see install option, install it, and then check. Now the next step is to perform system restore. So you can type in system restore in Windows search box, and then click on create a restore point, and then you can click on system restore over here. Now click on next over here, and you can select the date and time on which date the Bluetooth was working fine. Suppose you started facing this problem today, then you can select the date and time for maybe yesterday or day before yesterday. So select the date and time on which date the Bluetooth was working fine, and then you can click on next, and after the system restore, log into the computer. This process will take some time, and then you can check. Now if nothing is working, the last step is to reset your computer. Now before you reset, let me inform you that you may lose all the data on your computer and your application on the computer. So create a backup first, as reset may result in data loss. To reset the computer, open Windows settings, and then go to Windows Update, and then go to Advanced option, go to Recovery option over here, and here you can see reset this PC. Click on reset PC, and the first option is keep my files, which will remove application and settings, but it will keep your personal file. The second option, remove everything, will remove all your personal files, application and settings. So you can select the option which you want, and then you can go for local reinstall. After the install, you have to set up your computer once again. You have to start everything from scratch, and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the Bluetooth working on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.